After the officer has asked you to step out of the car and you've done the field sobriety test, that's the finger to nose, the balancing test, the heel to toe and turn and walk the 9 steps back, the officer may take out what's called a preliminary alcohol screening test. It's a small breathalyzer out in the field. You do not have to take that test. It is optional, and I advise you not to take it. There is no sense in helping the prosecution and the police put a case together against you. At that point, you're going to be arrested. When you're arrested, they're going to take you for either a blood test or a breath test. In a breath test, you'll be taken to the station. At the station, there's a larger machine. They'll calibrate the machine. You'll have to wait 15 minutes, and then they'll ask you to blow 2 times into the machine. There are many defenses to a breath test. First of all, you want to look to see whether or not the machine is calibrated, and my firm can help do that and get all of the records. The second thing you want to look for is whether or not the officers did all the prep things that they had to do. They waited the full 15 minutes, that they input all the information correctly, that this machine is the accurate machine and the most current machine that they're supposed to be used as a matter of law. The next defense you're going to look to is whether or not what's being put into the machine is an accurate reading of what's in your blood. Not that there's alcohol in your mouth, or that you've burped and regurgitated some alcohol from your stomach into your mouth, and that as the air passes out of your lungs, through your mouth, and onto the machine, it's altering what the real blood alcohol level is. We've had several clients who've come into us immediately after they were released from custody, and we've looked at the calibration records and determined that they were not accurate. We were able to get to the prosecution prior to the case being filed and stop any charges from moving forward. The clients were thrilled, and the firm was thrilled, and the case was over. So when you get out of custody, immediately call me at the Kraut Law Group so we can intervene on your case as soon as possible.